welcome back to my channel. I'm Joyita. I am going to show you how to do this crazy makeup tutorial. I'm going for day 2 of Nh7 Weekender happening in Kolkata. I thought of doing something subtle, and this is my subtle face. Jokes aside, since it's a music festival, I thought I'm going to go a little bonkers with colors. And since I did a lot of glitter on day 1, if you want to see the look, you should head over to Insta. My Insta is joyita.india. Please follow me on Instagram if you're not following already. And about today's look, today is the day 2 of the music festival I'm going to attend. So I thought I'm gonna do this look with a faux lip ring. How crazy is this? Like, it's subtle, but it goes with my crochet top. If you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. I'm gonna start with this primer. This primer is absolutely phenomenal for oily skin. Just a little, because I've already done sheet mask today, so my skin is pretty moist already. I'm going for my trusty LA Color foundation. It's called Truly Matte, and I love this full coverage foundation. It is really, really beautiful because it does it kind of melts into the skin and doesn't feel heavy on the face. I love that. I mean, I can't believe that it's a music festival I'm going to, and I am not using my Huda Beauty. I'm dipping into this because it feels very lightweight. For Huda Beauty, if you give it around 4 to 5 hours, it will crack. I am not a fan of that, but this does not crack. I love this. You've seen me use foundation 100 times, so I'll just come back after I'm done. Next, I'm gonna bake with my banana powder. Taking some on my hand, and I'm using a brush today. Baking really helps the makeup stay longer, and that prevents creasing, so this is like my favorite makeup trick. I'm gonna do my brows off camera now, and then I'm gonna go for the eye look. So I'm done with the brows. I'm gonna prime my eyes next with the NYX eye primer. I'm doing a pretty colorful look today, so it's really important to put a good primer so the colors can nicely pop. I'm gonna go here also, so I'm putting this a little outside. I'm using the Zulu palette from Juvia's place for this look. I'm gonna take the shade yellow. And blend it till here. I'm gonna put it here underneath my eye. Next, I'm going in with orange. You want to nicely blend it at the edges. And then I'm going to take this pink. I'm taking a powder brush and blending the sides so it blends in with my skin. And I'm gonna go a little up on the orange and blend this out, leaving no gap so it's completely color on my eye. And I'm going back with the orange and just patting it on my eye where I think the color was a little lost. And the same with the yellow. Going in with the yellow and just placing it on my eyelid. So the top part is almost done, and on the edge. With the pink brush, I'm blending it in. If you think it's too blended out, you can just go with purple in again on the inner corner and darken it. And then I'm gonna use my favorite blue shade in the universe. I've been using this for quite some time now, and this is just amazing. I love it. Absolutely love the shade. It's so shiny, it's so metallic, it's so me. So I'm taking another flat brush and the little gap between the yellow and the purple, I'm going to put this in. So this is mostly my eye look today. Thinking of not doing glitter. This is the complete eye look, and now I'm going to do the same for the other eye. I'm going to contour with a 3 shades darker concealer. This is from Wet n Wild, and I love this. I'm wearing this blush which I wore yesterday. It's all same other than my eye makeup. I think I have glitter on my face. This is a very nice coral pinky shade. I'll seamlessly blend with this. And I'm going to layer it up with the Milani Big Blush. I'm using it on my highlight points, but I first blended it with my blush, and now I'm intensifying the glow. Glow is everything. think this glow is way more intense. So a little bit here. A little on my nose, because we all want to look sharp. I tried a little nose contour, can you tell? And some on my forehead. Just to blend this pink thing out. That's it. I'm gonna line my lips with Nykaa Lips Don't Lie. It's like the perfect pink nude shade which matches with my own lip color. So I just did a full lip ring using Maybelline Hyper Glitz Ink, this product right here. And I did the thin line, so there's the glitter shine comes. This is the golden shade. It's like a very dark golden, and the glitter on top is the Hyper Glossy liquid liner. This is pretty old, and this I purchased pretty recently, but I haven't used it much. But I thought it's like the perfect occasion to use this right here. Yeah, I hope it's gonna, last through the whole concert, because I forgot to film using the setting spray. I have to use the setting spray. That's important. I'm using L'Oreal Infallible makeup setting spray. Setting spray is really important if you want to blend in your makeup and you want to make your makeup last longer. And also it's important to just fan yourself and dry it down as fast as you can. It's going to be better if you have something like a paper or something to... How crazy do I look right now? Like pretty crazy, huh? But I'm going for the crazy makeup and crazy hair, messy look. What should I name this crazy look? Put that in the comments below. Hey guys, so this is my complete look. So if you like watching me do crazy makeup tutorials, please give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel, and please share your thoughts on what colorful makeup you want to see next. Bye. Love ya.